Take a look at these guys. A lot of people can actually come onto this platform called Happyscribe.com to go on to getting their work done, and they could easily get jobs like transcription jobs, subtitling jobs, and also translation jobs done with the help of this platform. As you can see, with the Happyscribe, you can actually do the transcription and subtitling all in one platform right now. It is a state-of-the-art AI working side by side with the best language professionals available, and this actually partners with platforms like BBC, Forbes, Spotify, United Nations, and other platforms out there, and that's absolutely quite easy and quite amazing right now. If you come onto this section that says services, hover around that, select the transcription. You can actually see that you could go on to automatic, doing the automatic transcription, which is the fast and accurate AI generated transcription, or you could actually go on to doing the human made transcription to let the transcribers actually proofread your work for you and give you a 99% transcribed work right there. That is a 99% accuracy in transcription work. If you select any of those options right now, as you can see, this is the 100% human made subtitling service to get 99% accurate subtitles right now, and that's absolutely cool right now. You can actually see that people just need to come onto the platform, upload their files, the people or the transcribers start working, and they review and publish after 24 hours right now. That's absolutely amazing. Now you may be wondering, how can you make money with this platform right now? It is easy to make money with this platform. You can just simply register on the platform to become among one of the transcriptionists or one of the subtitlers or one of the translators right now on the platform. As you can see, you can also go on to checking out the Scribe for business, and there are much more details on the platform that you just need to take note of. Now if you do go on to checking out the subtitling section, okay, this is actually the transcribing section, you can just simply see much more details right there about this particular platform right now. And guys, to become a member of people actually working on the platform, you just need to come onto the domain, which is the happyscribe.com/transcription-job, and you can see right now that you could easily go into doing the transcription job from home. And this is actually for you to enjoy the flexibility of working from home. You could join a global community of transcribers from the United States, United Kingdom, Spain, France, Germany, Canada, Kenya, Philippines, and many other more countries, and you could easily go into earning up to about 90 euros per minute for transcription, 450 euros averagely monthly pay, or about 3,000 euros top monthly pay right now. So it's easy for you to go into applying for the platform right now. Just simply click on apply and you can apply for the platform right now. All you need to do is to submit your application, select the transcription job you want to do, and get paid bi-weekly to actually utilize or by actually transcribing some cool and amazing jobs right now. You can hear from some of the transcribers available on the platform. You may be wondering, why should you join the platform? As you can see, this is a custom made tool that can actually help you reach out to the global audience, and you can just simply work from home and in your comfort and earn some cool cash right now. Here are some of the frequently asked questions available on the platform. What is the job about? You can see more details about that on what is the process to become a transcriber, how can I work from anywhere, where do transcribers come from, how much do I get paid at average. You can just simply click on such questions and you'll be able to see much more details in such questions. Now you may be wondering, guys, if you are actually a translator, if you're a translator translating from one language to another, you're going to be earning a lot more higher amount from people that are just simply translating or transcribing from English to English, or transcribing from or adding subtitles right there. So if you're actually converting from one language to another, maybe from English to French, from English to Spanish, you'll actually be earning a lot more higher amount right now. If I actually do go into opening this in another tab, you'll be able to see much more details about that right there. So here's actually subtitle translation jobs right now. This is from English to French. You can see right here that you're actually going to get paid about 3 to 4 cents per word right now. That's absolutely amazing. And about 450 average monthly pay, 3,000 top monthly pay right now. If you keep on scrolling through, you can actually see much more details right now of the platform. It is also cool and amazing right now. You could check out other countries or other language available on the platform. Maybe if I want to check out other languages, I'm just going to scroll down to this particular section. You can see other languages available by clicking on see all languages, and there are actually numerous languages available for the platform that you can easily transcribe to and earn some cool cash right here. So you just need to actually have a job that someone actually comes onto the platform to give to you. You just do the job and actually earn some cool cash. That's absolutely easy. Now a lot of people on Upwork are also earning a lot of money from such kind of platforms right now, or such kind of jobs right now. You can see right now that this person is actually charging about $11 per hour. This is about $47 per hour. This person charges $45 per hour of transcription, and you can see that this person has made up to $200,000 on this particular platform. But you may be wondering, if this better than Happyscribe? Yes, this is actually better, but the challenges you may actually face is coming out to offering a gig with people on this platform, because a lot of people are actually offering the same gig on this platform, and you actually be competing with a lot of people with a lot of reviews right now, which might not actually get you a lot of jobs right now. So you may just simply want to stick on with this particular platform called the Happyscribe right now, and just simply go into doing some cool jobs and make some cool cash. Now if you do click on apply right here, it's going to take you to the page where you're going to see much more details. As you can see, apply as a freelancer. Sorry, freelance applications are currently closed. Apologies for the inconvenience, and this is not actually available right now. So the platform is actually quite full. They actually have enough transcribers or freelancers available on the platform right now, but subsequently, if you do keep on checking, the platform will be open again for you to just simply register as a freelancer and just simply going to making money on such kind of platform. So do leverage this right now. If you're looking for other ways to make money online, you can check out my channel, OJ Marketing, because I usually create videos on cool ways to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, you can scroll to the channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out right now. You could also hit the like button to the video you're watching, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.